Hey guys, what's up? It's NoyTebs here. So today we're going to unbox this beautiful shoes. And again, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell so that you'll be notified of any video uploaded on my channel. Let's get started. So there you go, guys. So again, I have here a Nike shoes, and it's nice shoes, guys, because it's an eco-friendly. That's what I said. It's like an eco-friendly because this materials is came from a recycled materials. Okay, so again, ta-dang, there you go. Beautiful. What's in the box? What's in the box? So there you go. So again, guys, this shoes is about 135 bucks. I just bought this one here in Calgary, and yeah, it's beautiful shoes. It's so light. It's like Skechers. It's very light shoes because of the materials. Okay, so nice color combination. The blue, white, and the green. Again, I'm using green screen, so that's why my green it's kind of an off, but it's beautiful shoes. Nike CRATER Impact is a part of our sustainability journey to transform trash into shoes that tried a little bit lighter, made from at least 25% recycled materials by weight. It brings in a unique design choices that reduce waste from compared with the traditional methods. Efficient overlay, and of course, its CRATER foam midsole. So again, that's why it's lighter, right? So it's from a recycled materials, especially here. That's midsole that they're saying, and it's like bubbly, you know, it's so bubbly, kind of on the materials that they have. It feels like, you know, you have a styrofoam. It feels like that way, but again, very nice. And they have a Nike like a signature sign here. It's a Nike check. And again, it's beautiful, guys. Wow, I'm so excited to wear this in summer. I don't know if I can get the insole here, but it seems like it's glued, so I can't remove the insole. But anyway, again, 135 bucks. It's not bad at the moment. I think this is a size 11. There you go, size 11 US. And this is a DB2477-02. I think this is the model number of the shoes. Beautiful. Yeah, nice one. I like the materials actually. And so excited to wear this. Nice. So light, honestly. It's very light, very light, very light. So again, made with at least 20% recycle, 20%, and then said 25%. So which one is right? So again, that's a wonderful thing that at least, you know, Nike are trying to do some recycling materials and make from the shoes. It's really good. I think it's gonna be an environmental friendly, right? So, and again, they have also here a Nike logo here for their, you know, there's a check mark here. Nice. Yeah, I don't know if how slippery is this, if we're going to wear it during the summer, the snow or winter time, you know, because there's no much grip on here aside from this part here, but I don't know if how this shoe is gonna be slippery during winter time, but I think this shoes is nice to wear in summertime because of, again, the issue of grips, right? So maybe it's not enough. This one here, it's not really enough to do a can handle the slippery or snow, more especially if you have a what is that, a block ice. So I'm gonna be, but again, there's a part here that it's a little bit maybe this is one with holes, but what if we'll keep on wearing or something? So what happen if this one will be no grip anymore then? But anyway, again, this is beautiful shoes. I like it. And again, I just bought this one here in Calgary. This is $135. So I think yeah, so the price is over here. It's $135, and on my perspective, or my perspective view on the shoes, yeah, not bad of shoes, right? And it's gonna be nice. It's kind of a girl design, but yeah, it's just men's shoes. It's like a unisex kind of a shoes, right? Because of this part here, it's a little bit thicker than the usual shoes that you have it. So, but again, guys, I hope you enjoy watching my unbox the shoes. And if you have, if you're not yet subscribing my channel, please do subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I have a new video uploaded on this channel. And also, if you have any question about the shoes, just comment below, and I will answer your questions. And again, thank you so much for watching. This is NoyTebs. God bless and have a wonderful day.